Have you ever been stuck with just one image trying to edit like a regular photo or an AI image? It doesn't matter. I know you have been there. I have been there. So this is why I am so excited about this update of FLUX Kontext tool. And I am a proud partner artist of Freepik, and I am here to show you how to use it via Freepik. So here we have the creation of images, but in this case, we want to go to edit. And then we're gonna browse files from our laptop. In this case, I already arranged an image I want to edit from my grandmother's 15 años. So I am very excited to try this out. I have seen many of these before and after with FLUX Kontext. So let's just put it in here. And here we are at the editor. As you can see, it's different from the creation, but we will also do another video on that. It's another way to use the tool. Another way to use a model. Here we are using it as an assistant model to edit any image. So I'm just gonna type in here. Oh, I forgot the word. Restore. So I'm just gonna type in here, restore this photograph, and click enter. So let's see what happens. I'm very excited because I actually did restore this photo in Photoshop like 3 months ago. So I'm gonna show you my edit and FLUX Kontext edit. I'm very curious about this. Okay, so we got our restoration now. Wow, that's actually very good. I'm just gonna click save, and then I'm gonna ask to colorize my photograph. Make it color. Oh wow, it didn't do it. Okay, this is really good. And we have been here like what, 18 seconds ago. I spent like 2 hours in Photoshop doing my version, so I'll just show you at the end of this video what happens. And now what if I want to like see a bit more of the scene? Maybe I can just ask for a wider shot of the space. It's a very conversational tool, so you don't have to be like super technical and adding like these thingies that I don't remember the name. Oh wow, okay, this is good, but we have an extra hand, ladies and gentlemen. It's still AI. I don't know if you can see my sticker here, but 4 fingers, extra hand, extra arm. Still there. Doesn't matter. It's still super fun. Let's see another option. So if you click on the plus, you're not convinced, you can always just ask for another option. That one. There we have it. We have like the exact pose my grandmother had. That's like super emotional to just see this photo restored and with a bit of color. I mean, I can even just go into that moment, and it was very magical. So yeah. So there you have it. This is how you can restore a photo with AI with FLUX Kontext Pro.